Hey everyone, Andover Adam here. It's just about summer, which means we're just in time for some hot new fabrics. Let's take a look. As we head into summer, you always want to have it made in the shade, and that's why we're coming out with the Cloud 9 collection from Laundry Basket Quilts. Now, this isn't going to arrive until December, so by then we'll have all cooled off a little bit. What we have here, 30 SKUs of differing backgrounds of different creams, whites, tans, and these wonderful delicate designs, floral designs, these great polka dots in different colors, some hearts here. This is a collection that goes with just about everything in your stash, and I have so many great fabrics to show you that you're going to want to play around with along with this Cloud 9 collection. The Cloud 9 collection is printed on our premium quilting cotton. These Compass West are the first of two collections I'm going to show you today that are actually yarn dyed wovens. So that's a little bit of a different technique where we're taking dyed threads and weaving them through each other. It's really, really cool and really beautiful. In fact, this is the first time that we've actually used the yarn dyed technique with Laundry Basket Quilts fabrics. With the Compass West collection, you have these beautiful warm colors, the yellows, the oranges, purples, reds, and pinks. And not only do they go very well with the Cloud 9 collection, which I showed you prior, but they also go beautifully with our Century solids. Those are 100% cotton, premium combed cotton solids. You're going to love working with them together. The Compass West collection is available starting in October of this year. It's going to be great fall quilting. And then in the following month of November, we have this beautiful Compass North collection with these beautiful greens and tans and neutral colors. For those of you who are planning on working with Laundry Basket Quilt's Moonstone collection, which is first available in September and which we just placed another huge printing on, so there's even more fabric available, these Compass collections are must-haves to go along with this beautiful collection. And we have one more special surprise for you from Laundry Basket Quilts. We're bringing back the entirety of the Splash of Color Batiks collection that's coming in November of this year in these beautiful 44 colors and these beautiful patterns, hand selected. These are all, as you know, batiks, hand stamped, hand put on, waxed, and then taken off. Whether you're a fan of these Splash of Color Batiks coming in November, or our Compass collections, which are those beautiful wovens coming in October and November, or the Cloud 9 coming in December on those beautiful quilting cottons, everyone has got something to look forward to when it comes to Laundry Basket Quilts fabrics this fall. Next up, we've got this wonderful Ellipse collection from Allison Glass in her signature colors and with some new design that we haven't really seen from her before. In the Ellipse collection, we're featuring these really cool border stripes. You can actually see it demonstrated in the three darker color SKUs on the right side here. You can see on the left side, this is where the selvage is, and then across the fabric, that's the repeat. So you're getting that one stripe on the one side of the selvage, or that one abacus right there on the left side of the fabric, or those scarabs down low on the left side of the fabric, and then the pattern repeating across as you see here. Also in November from Alison Glass, we have this wonderful Pulsar Handcrafted collection. So we're using Batik technique in order to get these plus signs or crosses onto the fabric here, and you've got that wonderful hand and feel that you've come to know from Alison Glass's Handcrafted collections. This is available in 20 colors, and you're going to love working with this with her Sunprint and, like I said before, her Ellipse collection, which is really something special. You know, some people will tell you that life isn't all rainbows and ice cream and unicorns, but you just have to believe. And that's what this collection from Kim Schaefer is all about. It is a fun, bright, and cheery collection of 18 SKUs. It's coming in October, and what is not to love about this? It just makes you smile looking at it. In fact, look, that cloud in the panel, that cloud is smiling too. So you get the idea here. There's nothing not to like. Our friends across the pond at Macaro UK have put together some great fabric collections for us. First, we have the Hedgerow collection here with a tapestry style, rolling countryside. It's got your traditional hare, it's got your deer, it's got some birds. Also in October, if you're looking for something a little bit brighter, a little poppier, check out this wonderful jewel tone collection. It has this great leopard, a hummingbird, this really fun floral, and it also features this great panel with all the zebras and leopards and tigers that you could ever want. If it be pirates ye looking for, in November ye landlubbers, pick up the Pirates collection. As you can see here, we have a great skull and bones panel on the right side of the page, as well as a bunting panel on the right side of the page. And it's coming in November. 20 SKUs. You landlubbers. So many of you have been reaching out and telling us how much you love the Century Prints collections. These collections have been so popular that we wanted to do another one with one of our favorite artists, Sarah Golden. Here you can see her block printing technique fully on display, and these 20 colors, these 20 pieces, are going to be available in October of this year. In November, we have the Shadow and Light collection, which is a great low-volume collection with a little bit of a mid-century modern flair. You can see we've got great floral designs in here, some great vining flowers. We've got this great faux stitch look in some of these patterns here, and they go beautifully, again, with a 100% combed cotton premium century solids. You can see a great selection of them on the right that go along with this collection. Also coming in November, we have this wonderful porcelain collection, which is 16 SKUs, and it's a little bit of an homage to Delftware from the Netherlands. Finally, coming in October, we have this great Rainbow Garden collection, which features some really popular butterflies and dragonflies, and this great ombre stripe of rainbow flowers on both a white and a black background. This is a tight collection of 10 SKUs, and it just provides that cheer that we've all been looking for. Thanks so much again for watching, everyone. Don't forget you can download the catalog of everything you've seen here at the link below. Until next time, be safe, be well, and take care.